Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I am going to show you how to make your drum cover looks new and last a lot longer. So to do this, we're gonna need a 400 grit sandpaper, a high heat paint. First, we are going to sand the drum. I am going to use the red one to remove all the loose rust. Then use the 400 grit sandpaper to make it smooth. After we are done with sanding, we need to clean it to remove all the dust. Then mask all the parts where you don't want to paint. After we are done with the masking, we will need to apply 2 to 3 coats of paint. The first one, you will have to do it a light coat. So guys, this is going to be it for this video. Hope you like it. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.